What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thunder RC coming at you today. Do I have some good news? Yes, I do. Look at what we have our hands on today, boys. The long-awaited Arrma Outcast AS. And it's just as beautiful as it looks. I am really loving this body. This thing is cherry. I'm going to do a brief rundown of the vehicle. As you all know, we have the same Spectra motor that you saw in the Creighton 8S. Along with that, the Smart Spectrum ESC. They've got their triple diff system here. I like that a lot. I really love how they split that top chassis brace up. That should help keep this chassis straight, make it a bit more solid. Also, you have this rear steel chassis brace in the back here. Very nice. The new D Boots backflip tires look amazing. The foams just feel phenomenal. It's going to run perfect on this vehicle. So overall, this thing looks like a complete beast. I like the wheelie bar as well. Very nice.